Welcome to day 5. So on the plan today we have chicken salad, mixed leaves, peppers, tomatoes, cabbage, and some olive oil. If you want, you can add whatever flavouring you like to your chicken breast. What we're going to do is actually butterfly the chicken breast. If you don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you now, but there's also a link in there's a hyperlink there, I don't know if you can see it in blue. So what I'm actually going to use is just salt, pepper. I'm going to use a little bit garlic and smoked paprika. See us here that we're going to grill the chicken, but because I need to buy another pan basically that I can put under the grill, because it's got plastic handles. I'm not going to put that under the grill. So I am going to just improvise, and this is completely fine. You might want to just do this anyways. Is just use a little bit coconut oil. Just a little touch just to stop that from sticking. And then I'm not going to sit there and chop cabbage and carrots and stuff, so I've just got this mixed leaf sweet salad that's got carrots, it's got cabbage. I'm going to put some of these nice mixed baby tomatoes in, and I'm going to chop up this pepper to go with it. Dead easy, simple meal. I'm just going to open up the chicken, and we're going to butterfly this chicken. Quite small breasts these, so I've got 2 of them. Actually, yeah, I'm just going to use all of that basically. No, I'm not going to use that actually. Dead easy. What I like to do as well is just remove this. You can't see there, can't you? I'm not moving this over. What I like to do is just remove that little. It's basically where the bone connects to the flesh, and then you can just run that down there and gently just open it up. If you score it as well, just score it slightly, it's going to just help absorb some of the flavour, and it just helps it open up a little bit more. Same with this one. Take this little, you can trim that off as well if you like, but don't mind a little bit fat. What I don't like is this bit here that runs through the smaller breast, the inner breast. So again, just slit that there, and then you can just open it up. Not really a very good demonstration, because these are small breasts and they're not butterflying very well, but basically you are just opening it up like that so that it'll cook evenly. See, that's pretty much the same thickness all round. I'm not going to add any flavouring yet, we're going to cook, so I'll just use that to help move the oil around the pan. Remove this, or wash our knife and boards, that chop our pepper. We want to turn this chicken up as well, quite a high heat, so it seals the outside. If you've got on quite a low heat, what will happen is the moisture will start coming out of the chicken, and then it will start to kind of like oil in its own juices kind of thing. We want to lock in the moisture so that you've got nice juicy chicken. And I think I'll move this over so you can see that a little bit better. smoked paprika. I'm going to use a little touch of garlic. I'm going to mix things up as well. I'm going to add some pesto to it. Wicked combination. I'm going to place that garlic on top of the chicken for now, because I don't want it in the oil while the oil's quite hot. I'm going to add some smoked paprika to this side as well. Touch of all pesto. Pesto a little bit, sorry, the pepper a little wash, dry, and I'm going to use half of this. Take out these little white bits. Start building our salad just while that's cooking away. Do want to put some more salad in there. Give that a little bit of a mix up. Yeah. Awesome. What I'm going to do now, just going to turn this down a touch. Now it's seared on each seared. We'll turn this right down so we don't burn any of the garlic or anything. Take a handful of our tomatoes, give them a quick wash. And just slice these any way you want. Salt. Some lemon and salt. Just get the flavour to really come out of those tomatoes, and also we'll put some balsamic vinegar directly onto them. And there's some tomatoes there. Now really just give this chicken a mix up, get it coated in all of the flavouring. It looks unreal, by the way, that smells unreal as well. We've got around 200 grams of chicken here. And I'm basically just going to let that cook through for a couple of minutes. It's pretty much done. It's always good to tidy up as you go along, as you're cooking. If you can wash a dish or two while you're cooking as well, just saves having to do everything at the end. You know what it is? I've got a little touch of this cheese left, this cheddar cheese, so I'm just going to crumble this in as well. And like I say, you can add any sort of flavouring you want to the chicken. I will be putting up some flavour combinations soon, where you can just sort of give them a try and experiment. A rule of thumb I've got as well is if you are experimenting with flavours, don't use too many, don't just throw loads of things in and hope for the best. Choose 3 flavours, so like 3 spices or 3 herbs or a mix of the 2, and if you've never used them before, that is, just use 3, see what kind of works, and then you can be like, okay, well I can put a little bit more of this in, a little bit more of that, or I could add this to this, it will work better with that kind of thing. When you experiment, and try not to do too many flavours, because then you're not really going to know what's working and what's not, kind of thing. I'm going to give this just another minute, and then I'll slice it right up, serve it on top of that salad. This you could also have, like if you're looking at the meal plans, and some of it, if you don't have, let's say you don't have enough time to cook something, this is very, very quick, very easy. You see how long it's took. How long have I been on this live? It doesn't really say, but it doesn't take no time at all. You could serve this chicken salad with potatoes, with a baked potato. You could serve it with your rice. Now you've done the rice dish yesterday. You'll all seen how easy that was to do. 12 minutes and you've got perfect rice. You could have a pan of rice there, and you could just be doing your chicken, throw it all together, you've got a chicken rice salad. Just going to go in there with some of our chili oil that we made earlier in the week. Sorry, garlic chili oil. So this is your roast garlic chili oil. where we roasted the garlic, we popped the bulbs out, we put them into the bottle, and I've pretty much used that up already. But as you can see there, you've still got all that garlic, and it's fairly new, it's only been put in this week. There'll still be a lot of flavour in there, so what I do is take this lid off, take this pouring lid off, and basically just top it up with some extra olive oil. And next time I come pop that on, give it a good shake. Next time I come to use that, it'll just be nice and garlicky. Don't be scared to use plenty of olive oil. You need plenty of fats in this kind of, I don't really want to say a diet, but lifestyle. Chicken's just about done. Turn this off. And then you can also just go over the top with these juices. I hate waste, and I hate wasting flavour especially. I hate wasting food especially, but I hate waste altogether. Wow. There we have it. Chicken salad. Dead easy. Hope you all enjoy.